With me, the head of JP Morgan's Irish operations, which, if I'm not mistaken, sir, is just sort of almost next door to us.
Yeah, we're a 5-minute walk away, Richard.
Good to see you.
Very good to meet you. Thank you.
The Irish economy has done so well, and now we're in this terrible morass and mess. How does this? What's your view on where we go?
So, from an Irish perspective, actually, we remain reasonably constructive. We think GDP this year in Ireland will average about 5.5%, maybe a tad less, and that's off a 13.5% growth last year, so the momentum is there. Clearly there are headwinds. You talked about inflation and the 7%. That was a 40-year high print in inflation in Ireland a few weeks ago, and we think inflation remains high, but actually we don't think that undercuts the fundamental growth story in Ireland.
How do you withstand the slowdown? Because JPM's also forecasting slowdown. It's a moot point whether there's a recession in Europe, in the Eurozone. There's going to be a slowdown, and it's going to be a sizable one.
Yeah, no, for sure. I think Ireland's well positioned to withstand that. So if you look at sort of in the construction sector and so forth, there will be bottlenecks, supply chain disruption out of Asia will have an impact. But we think that the multinationals that are present here will actually get through this relatively unscathed. We look at our own business in financial services. We're seeing growth, not contraction. We think the pharmaceutical sector, the tech sector, that really are the engines of drivers of the Irish economy will continue to do well this year, right? So there are risks to the downside, but it's not catastrophic in Ireland.
What are you telling your clients, your investors? Not your investors, sorry, your clients. What are you telling them when they're ringing up and saying, Mark, what do I do? What do I do? I'm worried. What do I do? I'm seeing markets falling. My wealth effect has gone. What do I do?
So for our corporate clients who are looking to sort of execute on their funding plans this year, we're telling them be ready. You've got to be very opportunistic. Earlier this week, for example, in the bond market in Europe, we saw windows open. Monday, they closed very quickly a few days later. So we're telling clients be ready, be opportunistic, go quickly when the market's there.
Because what we're seeing, and it's almost, I won't say unique, it's happened before, but you've got bonds and equities falling at the same time.
Correlation of one, yeah, everything together.
And when you've got that, there's nowhere for safety.
No, there isn't, but it's look, we also have seen over the last couple of months windows open and close. So we're in a bad window right now for sure. But
when you say window open, what window would you expect to open?
So for our corporate clients to be able, for example, to access the bond market to fund their capital requirements for this year, and our clients in the equity markets as well. So we are seeing windows open and close. You just have to be very opportunistic around it.
And it's slightly different, but for the private investor, for sort of the ordinary man and woman on the street, so to speak, what do you do other than wait?
I think you just be patient, right? We'll get through this, right? I mean, I think you need to step back. If we see inflation globally stabilize, I think you can see a recovery in markets fairly quickly. And fundamentally, JP Morgan, has a constructive outlook on equity markets.
Finally, let's just talk about this sort of extraordinary economy. I'm looking over there and I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cranes, building cranes. This is just a heaving mass of what technology and tech companies in this area known as Silicon Docks. Can this continue?
We think so. I mean, if I look at our own business at JP Morgan here in Ireland, we've grown our headcount by 60% in the last 3 years. So we now have, from a standing start of 0 in 1990, we now have 850 people here in Dublin. And we're not unique in that sense, right? If you look at financial services in Ireland, you have $5 trillion of assets now under custody in this country for asset managers around the world. So we think the environment here remains very constructive.
It's good to see you, sir.
Richard, pleasure.
Thank you very much for coming in this evening. Thank you very much. Marc Hussey.